Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Gusion so that the dagger automatically hits the enemy. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you guys go to settings and go to controls, and over here you can scroll down to below and click on to the aim panning mode. For example, I'm gonna show you if it's not active, this aim panning mode if not active, when you hit skill 1 or your first skill at the enemy and your enemy is moving, it will not follow. Okay, your dagger skill will not follow the enemy, but if you turn on the aim panning and you hit your first skill, it will follow the enemy. And don't forget to turn on the assisted aiming mode too. Okay, so it will follow the enemy like this, even when the enemy is moving like this. And to make it perfect, the one thing you need to do is go to settings again and make sure your smart skill targeting is on. Okay, so when you meet an enemy, all you have to do is click the icon on your enemy like this. Okay, click the icon the enemy, so you will automatically locate the enemy. You will miss your skill and it will on point. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already, and if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click thanks button above the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.